How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to lock chats on WhatsApp. So if you want to make a chat private, then this is what you do. First of all, I'll show you how to lock the chat, and then I'll show you how to hide the chat. So to lock it, you simply tap on the chat and that'll bring up this menu, and then in the top right you select the three dots and come down and press lock chat. This will say keep this chat locked and hidden, and you'll need to use your face or fingerprint to open the chat and read it. So you press continue, and then you just type in your PIN, and as you can see, a new menu appears in your WhatsApp home screen. You see lock chats, so you tap on that and you press your fingerprint, and that brings up your lock chats. But as you can see, it comes up in your WhatsApp home screen as that you have a locked chat. So to hide it, you would go into your locked chats, in the top right you see the three dots, open up the chat lock settings, and then you have the option to hide locked chats. So you want to enable that, and this will say to find locked chats by entering a secret code into the search bar. So you just want to create your secret code. So it needs to be a minimum of 4 digits. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if we come back onto our WhatsApp, the locked chats is hidden. So the only way to find it is by going into the search bar and typing in your secret code. And as you can see, it brings up the locked chats. So that's how to lock chats on WhatsApp and hide them. Thank you for watching.